Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into Harbor Freight and looking at their drawer organizers for toolboxes and the different varieties that they have. Now some of them are going to be missing, but everything that is there I'm going to try and briefly go over. They have some really nice organizers for a really good price, and then they have some ones that are not great, so I'm going to try and point out some things. Other than that, these styles can be found made by many other people, but if you have a Harbor Freight local to you, this might be your best bet. Other than that, keep in mind some of these organizers are identical to other companies, but these other companies like Ernst have them made in the USA, where these are going to be either China or Taiwan. So if that's a big thing to you, if you prefer buying everything USA as much as you can, there is that route. There's many other brands like Ernst that makes them in the USA, where these are going to be made in Taiwan. And they're gonna be basically the same price. So if you don't like ordering online and a Harbor Freight's closer to you, so be it. If you want the USA made ones, they're available online. Or maybe you know of a store close by that has, like Northern Tool has Ernst organizers available. But we're going to take a closer look at Harbor Freights, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys do, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section of your guys' thoughts, or if you've purchased any of these organizers. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Let's get into this.
This is going to be one of the very first organizers that you're going to see in the Harbor Freight clips. And this is going to, I want to say, you know, one of Harbor Freight's original socket organizers. They had the metal clip style. I hate those. I don't care for them. So this is the first one that I saw from them that I actually did like. It's a plastic tray. It's got them all numbered in. I believe it's $9 for a 3-piece set or a 6-piece set in both metric and SAE. And they're great. They're nice and shallow. They're able to hold all of my chrome sockets and still fit in this drawer, where my Ernst rails sat up a little bit too high when I put these 1/2-inch chrome sockets on here. It sat up too high for the drawer to close, so this worked out well. The only downside to this was I have OCD, and I had a couple sockets that weren't in my original socket set. So I had a couple empty spots that I had to fill in. But other than that, for $9, this thing's held up great, works great, and I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's get into it. This is the organizer that I just showed you in my box that I really enjoy. It's held up well. These are the metal clip style socket organizers that I don't care for, and this is the same tray style but with a peg style instead. Then you have the $10 wire pliers rack, and this is the L bracket magnetic socket organizer, which is really nice, minus the fact that it uses the metal clips to hold the sockets, which I do not like. I wish they would have used a ball detent or a twist lock like these styles up here. These ones run roughly $20 for all the different styles. Then you have the wrench organizer over here. I had the same one, same design and everything from Ernst, except it was made in the USA, where this one is Taiwan. It runs around $12, so roughly the same price. So if you're somebody that really cares about USA or Taiwan made stuff, there are the exact same things for the same price, but made in the USA. This is the adjustable pliers rack, $18. I have one similar from Tekton. I'm not sure how durable this one is, so if you've used it, please let me know. Here's a bit organizer, and these are really handy. It's got a magnetic base and just holds all your miscellaneous bits and everything, so those are always handy to have. This is a magnetic clip rail. I have one from Olsa Tools. It's really nice. It holds screwdrivers, extensions, ratchets, miscellaneous different items. These are the twist lock style socket organizers, single rails. This one's got a magnetic base, but it's not strong whatsoever. Needed to be used in a drawer, not on the side of a box or anything. Whereas these with the ball detent actually has a padded backing, and the magnet is much stronger on these than they are the twist lock style.
Alrighty YouTubers, so that's it as far as Harbor Freight's organizers. There were a couple things that were missing, like one of the screwdriver organizers, but other than that, they do have a pretty good lineup of toolbox drawer organizers now, much better than they had before. So that's really nice. Plus they all range from basically $10 to $20. So they have a wide variety of different organizers for basically all the different tools that you would need to organize. So that's really nice. Just keep in mind all of these are Taiwan. If that's not a big deal to you, they're great pricing and seem to be really good rails. Well, a majority of them. Other than that, you can also find them linked down in the description, made in the USA. And I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I kind of rushed through it, but I still hope you guys got a good idea of the variety of different organizers that they offer. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section of your guys' thoughts. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. See you guys next time.